This guy had the hiccups for 73 years, and what happened next is shocking. So this guy was milking his cow on the border of North and South Korea at the same time. But what he didn't expect is that his mom would call him home to go for college even though it didn't exist yet. So while he was walking to the airport to get to his brand new college, he stumbled upon somebody that offered him $1 billion trillion gazillion dollars to have the hiccups for 73 years. So he immediately took the offer and then he ditched his mom. Subscribe for part 2.